What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you or will be discussing with you how to fix PayPal where you're having trouble making sure it's you. So if you're having this issue here with PayPal, well there are a few things or a few methods here that you may want to try to solve this issue. So the thing with PayPal here is sometimes they implement certain features here, or in this case process, in order for them to verify that it's really you accessing your PayPal account. So what you need to do is you first need to make sure that you're not using any VPN. Now, if people notices that for example, you're using your account on a specific area and then suddenly it actually changes. Now, this may actually prompt people to think that, hey, someone's actually accessing your account at a different location suddenly. So in this case, you may want to turn off your VPN and see if that actually helps. Now, also, if you're experiencing this problem via the actual app, so meaning you're using the actual app here, you may want to access the web version first. Go to paypal.com and you want to go and click on log in here and see if you can actually log in. Sometimes the actual app might be the problem. So in this case, I would highly suggest you to visit Google Play Store here, and you want to go to search and just look for PayPal. Now, you want to make sure that the app is fully updated if that's the case. So sometimes like certain updates will be implemented here in PayPal. So make sure to update the app itself and see if that actually helps for you. But yeah, if none of this actually works, what you could try doing here is you want to go to web here, go to paypal.com, and you want to go and just enter your email address here and maybe try forgot, or in this case, you may want to basically do a forgot password method on your account. So to be speaking, you could basically reset your password and try using that new password to log in into your account and see if that actually helps. So yeah, also one more thing here is you want to make sure that the time on your phone is also fully updated. So it is actually the correct time on your phone here. Sometimes like connections can be interrupted especially if your time on your phone is not correct. So yeah. So in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.